Yeah, Danielle, so those spray parks are definitely a welcomed addition because, as Amani's been telling us, those triple digits are going to start becoming a regular thing. But unfortunately, public pools like the one behind me, it's looking like they won't be open until mid next month.
Kern County Public Health has already given permission for public pools to reopen along with spray parks, but officials say it takes more time to get pools operating under the county's new guidelines. The spray parks are easy to manage because they don't require a lot of supervision and they're on timers, but pools need more resources.
We have staff that we need to hire and have trained in order to meet the guidelines that the county has put out and the state has put out in order to open those safely.
Those guidelines will include limiting the capacity for pools, although the city says it's still working on exactly how to implement the new rules.
Some of this is probably going to be maybe a bit of a phased reopening for some of these things. So maybe the first thing that will happen is lap swim, but not everything all at one time.
Conroy says there will be a limit on the amount of people who can go in the pool at the same time. That way social distancing can be maintained. He also says some city pools might take longer to reopen than others.
One of the issues with McMurtry is we've not been given the okay to open things like the slides. And obviously that's a big draw there and it's a big part of that pool. So that facility may actually it may take a little longer for that facility to actually reopen itself.
The Recreation and Parks Department hopes to have at least some pools ready to reopen by mid-July. However, the city does not have a specific time frame in place.
Yeah, and during that package, Danielle actually texted me saying, hey, can you actually jump in the pool during your last hit here? Unfortunately, it's closed and it's going to remain closed for the time being. McMurtry here behind me is looking like it's going to be one of those pools that's going to be closed even longer than mid-July. But for now, those spray parks are open. Those pools, you're going to have to wait another month. But for now, in downtown Bakersfield, Austin Westfall, 23 ABC, connecting you.
I just wanted to see if you would actually do it, Austin. Since you can't jump in the pool, maybe you head over to a spray park now, because that's what we're really going to be needing today, Amani.